Yes, hello guys, welcome back again to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create your Discord server. So you want to make server on Discord, or you have account on Discord. Even you don't have any account on Discord, but you want to create one and host your server on Discord. So this tutorial will be showing you how you can create that account, and how you can be creating that server on your Discord and start using it. Also add channels to that server and other requirements that you want to add to your Discord server. So first, if you didn't subscribe to this channel, no Max TV, so subscribe now, like this video, share this video to your friends, and turn the notification bell button so as you always get notified when you upload a new video here at No Max TV. So now, without wasting time, let's get started. So here, as you can see, I have my Discord and I'm going to open this Discord account. So if I'm going to open this Discord account, also is the way of accessing my account details and start creating the new ones. Once I accessed my Discord account, I'm going to check these files. So if it is the first time you visit you in your Discord homepage, you can see this my homepage of Discord, and you can see also these are friends, these are online. So and maybe those are people who are online. So here is all my people. There's a pending as a blockade one, pending your friends. So pending maybe it includes those who have requested for friendship, and they are still pending to accept your friendship. Here they are blocked friends, and his add friends, and this add friends means that you can be adding new friends to your Discord server. So now what you want to do, you need to create your own server now, and you can see there is no active members on your server now. So when you look at here at the top right, you see now there is no one who is active because my Discord account seems to be the new one, and I don't have friends, much friends to be there online. What I need to do now, I need to start creating my server, and I'm going to come here on the left. As you can see there on the left, there are various features including plus signs. So as you can see, this plus sign is also on the left. Here you can see this plus sign is also means add new server. So what I need to do, I need to click there on that add new server, so I can start creating my new server. So let me click there, and you see now it is adding new server. So what I need to do, I need to click add new server, as you can see here, and here below it is a public explore public servers. So to explore public servers means you are going to visit, you are going to be able to explore some existing servers on Discord, and you can choose to join those servers or request to join those servers or not join those servers accordingly to your interest in this. So let's start by creating our own server, and click here on plus sign. Once we reach there, you can see here at the top they are saying that create server, and the server is where you and your friends hang out, make yours, and start talking. So as you can see there are various options here on this server. You can see this one, which is create my own server. So this create my own server means you are going to create your own server without interpret, without integrity, and you will be customizing it for yourself. Here there is gaming, and you can see here this now is saying that starting from the template. Start from the template means there is also template which is designed for gaming like this one. Yes, for gaming like this one, for gaming like this one, for school club, for also for gaming, and for study group. So once you want to create one of the server like that one, So you can start from template, from those templates. Means if gaming server will be having the gaming templates, and you start by creating your server too. Then meaning the Facebook club is started, which is on a template which is added to the school club, and you can be customizing based on that. We don't want to create that server from the template. Only what we need to create our server, our own server. Also, what we need to do, we need to click there at the top and then click on the personal templates. You can see here. Yes, I click here because this one is personal templates, and then I click here next. So once I click next, they are saying tell us more about your server. What do you wish to be using your server on? And tell us some more about of your server. So now, as you can see, in order to help you with your setup, is your new server for just a few friends or larger community. So you choose whether you are going to be server for few friends or for larger community. What you need to do, you need to come here and select the one option you think is preferring to your server. If it is one, and if it is for you and your friends also, you are going to choose the first one. If it is for club and larger community also, you are choosing the second one, and this will be helping you to proceed with your creation. And after that, I'm going to select for club or community. Means I'm going to select for larger club or community. So I click here now. Then after clicking there, so they are requesting me to name my server. So as you can see here, there is a name of my server, and they are considering my server with my names. So now what they need to add, they take my profile and add something. So they take my profile and add something, but I can choose to delete each and everything you are seeing here and put my custom one. So, and I put everything that I wish. For example, I can be recalling it that say educational server. So after this, my channel is education or educational tools. Yes, after this, I can click here on create. You see here there is add photo, and I can choose to add a photo or not. So as you can see, my channel is already now set. What to do now? As you can see here, you see they are starting sending some more notifications about my server, and they are saying that I can plan to also customize my server, add some features and each and everything. What you can see here now below, you can see there at below, and here you can see they are giving me an option to invite your friends, send your first message to the server. You can also click here, and I can start typing hello guys. So once I type hello guys, it is going to be ready for to all server now. So this to all server members, but I don't have any member of this group on this server, so means my message is not gonna be read by someone else. As you can see here, you see there is invite option, invite people, and when you click on this invite option, you will be inviting people to join your server, and you are going to get the invitation link so people can be joining your server easily. When I click invite people, you see here there is custom link, and I can be copying this name, and I paste it, or I can invite the existing person on my server who is the existing friend on my server, and I can hit also, I can hit invite. So but I don't want to invite anyone there. What I need to do, I need to come here and create channel. So I'm going to start creating channels now in my server. I can choose to create text channels, those which will be being used for only texting. Also, I can choose to create voices channels, and those are only which will be being used for voices only. So once I want to create text channels, I need to click this add create now text channel and name it so educational science tools, for example. This will be now for now this will be for text ones. Then I hit create with the button. After this, also you see now my channel is already created and I can start now adding some more details. So after this, now I'm going to click here on voice channels and click here add some more example of the name. So it is educational tools also channel now, educational tools channel, but we review also for voices one, and I hit these voices because I choose it to be the voices. Once I agree this, I click now on create a button, so create a channel. So after this, you can see now the channel has been already created. So as you can see, you can be adding more channels on your server as far as possible, and you can continue adding some details, customizing your server as well by using this way. So thank you very much for watching this video. This was showing you how you can create your own server on Discord. If you have any question, suggestion, or comment, please leave it in the comment section. And if you have any thing to say or to tell us, please leave it in the comment section. So if you didn't subscribe, please subscribe, like this video, share this video to our friends, and hit the notification bell button so as you will be always getting notified when we upload a new video here at Nomax TV. So thank you for watching now. See you in the next video.